What is going on here? Why are there so many chefs in the kitchen?
Wow. Oh, those are those little chips that I was looking at. So these little chips turn into those. That is so cool.
Try it.
Okay. Ooh, it's hot. Oh. It kind of tastes like a potato chip, but not as salty.
It's we call it shrimp chip.
Ah, okay. I can see that. Yeah. I don't know, but I really like the texture. I like the crunchy. And it's kind of airy. Okay, here, let me try. Ta-da! Oh, that's cool.
干啥呢？啊！